In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image in Canva. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation, or a simple graphic, knowing how to bring your own images into Canva is essential. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, go ahead and open Canva in your browser or app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside Canva, open a new design or an existing one where you want to use your image. On the main design screen, look over to the left-hand side. This is where you'll see the main toolbar with different options such as templates, elements, text, and more. In that left-hand panel, find and click on the option labeled Uploads. This is where Canva stores all the images, videos, and other media that you bring in from your own device. When you click on Uploads, the panel will change to show your previously uploaded files, if you have any, along with a button to add new ones. Now look for the button that says Upload Files. Go ahead and click on that. This tells Canva that you want to bring in a new image from your computer, phone, or another connected source. As soon as you click it, a file selection window will pop up. This is the standard window you see when you're choosing a file to open or save. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have several similar images. Once you've found the right picture, click on it to select it, and then click the Open button in the File window. After you've done that, Canva will start uploading your image. You'll see it appear in the Uploads panel, often with a small progress indicator while it's being processed. Just follow any on-screen prompts that appear. For example, Canva may show a quick message confirming that your file is uploaded, or it may give you tips about using your media. When the upload is complete, your image will be visible in the Upload section. To use it in your design, simply click on the image or drag and drop it onto your canvas. From there, you can resize, reposition, and edit it just like any other element in Canva. And that's all there is to it. Click on Uploads on the left side, click on Upload Files, select your file, and follow the on-screen